manufacturing company with a common puff or in enclosed areas. Inventory control is an essential activity for product-based companies like Company a small manufacturer of fabricated metal products in Vietnam. The company's inventory control practices are currently based on mere humans' estimation, without theoretical base, and depends on inefficient manual processes to manage their inventories. Based on inventory management theories, just-in-time, JIT, and materials requirements planning, MRP, as foundation knowledge, the thesis project examined the company's inventory activities and developed a computer-based inventory solution. Constructive action research approach was conducted via virtual meetings and discussions with the company to investigate their current inventory control practices and to construct a suitable inventory solution, and thus, the project created an inventory system using VBA Excel spreadsheets to help replace current manual inventory work. 1. Introduction. Some businesses, such as Come and Puff at Vape Shop and Lounge, confront numerous obstacles while adopting manual logbooks. They are having difficulty recording the information or lists of their selling products, maintenance, and other details. The manual procedure will increase the number of errors, decrease productivity, and result in erroneous product estimations. To address this issue, we propose an electronic logbook or inventory system that allows users to simply save item input, compute price, search things, count and sort products, show available products, and finally, input updated data and time for purchased products. It will be easier and faster to list, count, and search for things or products with the help of this inventory system. It will also save a lot of time and be able to focus on crucial areas of their business where they can have a much higher impact. Establishing an electronic inventory system that assists them in not only capturing data but also effectively adhering to good manufacturing practices. 1.1. Objectives. The main goal of this project is to develop an efficient program that will automate the manual method of inspecting and documenting product data in Come and Puff at Vape Shop and Lounge using a logbook. This project aims specifically to 1. Reduce the amount of time spent manually updating data. 2. Encoder's responsibility of writing data is simplified. 3. Reduce the amount of paper used to list the data. 4. Reducing the usage of paper that will save money, use less water, conserve energy, and help to preserve adult trees. 2. Methodology. 2.1 Conceptual Framework. Excel Visual Basic Applications or VBA Macro. The software creating an inventory system using VBA Macro demonstrates how to utilize Microsoft Excel VBA Macro to help employees reduce their workload. We may use this VBA Macro to develop a system or application that can compute, sort, list, and search items in an efficient inventory system. 2.2 Proposed design. The role of this project is to eliminate manual logbooks for listing or encoding products, which took up a lot of time for employees to update the items. Proposed flowchart. The proposed flowchart. With this flow, we are able to terminate the workers' manual updating of data about their products by using an inventory system using VBA Macro.
3.1 Project description. This software can manage, classify, and record products and supplies as a result of inventory verifications during production entry using the user form and a VBA Macro application. Collecting data without having to manually encode it is simple. 3.1.1 Properties. This is a computer-based software project. Manually filling out a paper copy or a check sheet is less trustworthy and time-consuming than accessing and validating data and information. 3.1.2 General Function. This project aims to reduce the time spent manually updating data in the inventory system using VBA Macro for product checking, allowing them to focus on more important elements of their business. For the encoder who summaries the record in Excel files, the data may simply be retrieved in the form of an MS Excel file. 3.3 Graphical User Interface.
This project, entitled Inventory System using VBA Macro for Product Checking, Inventory System using VBA Macro for Product Checking, aims to facilitate the work of an employer in his business. The inventory system created by our group starts to function when you click the command button displayed in the Excel sheet. After that, the user form or the created inventory system will automatically appear. The system has a title of Come and Puff It Vape Shop, which is our chosen company. In left side of the system, it has a list of available products or stocks, and then you can also search to lessen the time you have preferred to check the data. In the right part, it shows the command button for product list and save, where you can type a product name, a purchase price, and the sales price. Then it's either if you want to click the command button for add, update, or extract. You can also see the tabs purchase, sale, inventory, quantity, inventory, amount, and profit, indicated all the current profit and sale of the products. In the center part, it displays the sale purchase transaction where you can add and update product, transaction type, quantity, rate, and date. Once you fill out those information, you can choose whether you click the command button for add or update. It also shows the transactions where you can click all, click, and sale, then click extract. Lastly, once you finish and fill out the inventory system, the data is transferred into another Excel sheet that shows all the information you update or add, including the time and date.
Summary and conclusion. This chapter presents a conclusion to the work described in this doctoral dissertation. The main contributions are summarized, followed by some future directives and acknowledgement regarding future directions of research related to this work. This project inventory system using VBA macro for product checking have the following improvements. 1. We can automate and save time updating data with this project. 2. The user may now easily summarize the information, and the files can be forwarded to buyers as needed. 3. Using a computer-based monitoring system, the use of logbook for check sheets is completely disregarded. Acknowledgement. We would like to acknowledge the people encourage and support us to be able to come up with this project. Without them this project would not be possible. To engineer Ryan B. Caldo who help and guide us and for giving us the opportunity to create this project. To all members of this group for the teamwork we are able to finish ahead of time. For the Come Puff Vape Shop and Luge who help us to build this and gives data without hesitations, we are extending our gratitude to thank all of you. We would also like to thank our beloved Godfather for his blessing in us, for giving us the right to think.